What's up, everybody? I'm back. We got a 2017 Mazda 6 Sport. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change on this thing. All right, we got the car jacked up. You usually put it in the front, but I put it on the side. Help me see better for me. After you get the car jacked up, you come under the car. And your oil filter is right here. And then your oil pan is right here. This is a different type of oil nut. You need a star or a hex pattern. Get that star hex pattern. See that pattern on the inside? Get a star hex pattern. But I'll show you what it look like. And then you take that note up. You take this nut off. And the oil come out. So the hex socket we're gonna use, this is a hex socket. Where this is 8. You see the 8 on there? Yeah. 8. See an 8 on there. This is the socket we're gonna use. Hex socket we need to use. It's a 3/8 hex socket. We need to use to take out that oil pan nut. I'm gonna show you right in a minute, all right? So we broke open it. See how I'm twisting it? We broke it open. And you always want to have your oil pan nut at the bottom, oil pan drain at the bottom. So as much as you spinning it, spinning and spinning and spinning, you take this out. You don't want that to drop in there. It's gonna come out just like that. See? Letting the oil drain out. And while it's draining, after it's draining out, I'm gonna show you how to take off this oil filter. And after you take off the oil filter, we just replenish the oil. We're all done. After tightening up the oil drain pan, take your pair of these. It's a lot of, it's a lot of different ones. You can get the one with the cap on them. You get the pliers. Take your pair of these and unscrew the oil filter. You see the black? You see the black one? Unscrew the oil filter. So I already kind of cracked it for you. So I'm just twisting it off by hand right now. See how it's twisted off? It just twists off. This is the new oil filter from Advanced Auto Parts. They have bundle deals going on. This is the new filter for it. Take the filter out. When you take the filter out, you saw how little the other filter was. See? Take them out. It's about the same height. It's required for the vehicle. You want to put it in a little bit of oil so the black ring on it can expand when it heats up. And then you just take this new oil filter and it screws right on there, you see? Just screw it on. And you just hand screw it. You don't want to, fly it on. Just hand screw it until it's nice, it's firm. After everything is tightened, the oil pan is tightened, the oil filter is tightened, you're done under the car. Now you just want to add the correct oil. Our car calls for 0W20. If you don't know the correct oil, it's usually on the top of your gas, your oil cap, 0W20. Some cars require a different amount of quarts. This car quart requires 4.5. So you want to fill it all the way up to about right there to the bottom, 4.5 quarts. That's that, we're all done. Other cars are different. You gotta look up the quarts, the oil capacity for each car. I just know this car takes a 4.5. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. I got more videos coming to you.